neck on her big neck. My nigga selling crick neck for the stick neck. And I got a big neck for the chick chat. Matte black Hellcat, picked up a hot bitch, and it's a Hellcat. So the dick, now the bitch need a tic tac. Baby, at dummy, you know they gon' hit back.
Alright, we got full shotgun tray funny rap compilation. I already know I'm gonna get copyrighted. I already know I am.
So I posted a picture on my Insta yesterday. You know, for the little thotties, they can leave some hard eyes. So I checked the comment, and under that picture, I saw one nigga. He left a laughing emoji. Like, what's so funny? So I did some research behind him. Found out that his little brother has Down syndrome.
What?
That's why I killed that nigga an hour ago. Let's get it.
I said we smoking on that return pack. You cannot get your brother back. Smoking on that return pack. You cannot get your brother back. Saw your grandma at the
Yo!
so I clapped her like a whore. Then I shot her in the face.
Alright, bro, let's start this. Listen, bro, the cancel culture snitched on your last song. Like, the feds are watching. Like, you gotta call the violence.
The feds, they must be watching.
This is a love song, bro. Alright, bro.
Cool. A love song? Okay.
Alright. I wrote this song for my girl.
Oh, brother.
Because she got the nerve to be mad at me. Because all I did was cheat on her.
Oh, you did?
And,
what?
I just want to say, this isn't a threat. It's a warning.
If you ever try to leave, I'll slit your throat. If you ever try to leave, I'll break your nose. Baby, please don't let me go.
Hey, yo!
I'm not a woman beater, but if you try to leave me, man, you might as well call me Chris Breezy. Cause you crazy if I let you walk out my life. If you try to do that, I'll get the knife. Cause all I did was cheat.
Oh my god!
Bro, wait, what is wrong with you, yo? Your last song was
He
about
said, I'm gonna get the knife.
mental disability, and now you're talking about abusing females, bro?
Yo!
Right, let's do this, bro. No, I'm not doing this no more, yo. You can't stop talking
He's
about
trying to
violence.
quit, bro.
I told you, the feds is watching. Bro, it's a kid song.
Yep.
Shotgun Trey. Can he kill it? Shotgun Trey. Yes, he can. Shotgun Trey. Can he kill it? Shotgun Trey. Yes, he can. I'm the type of nigga that'll punch a 5-year-old in the gut. I'm the type of nigga that will smack a nun on the butt. If my girl don't let me cheat, then you know that she will get cut. But she will not leave my life cause I keep that gun in the tub. Niggas want me to change, but I will not do that. And my gun come out with your hands up!
I told you, yo! I told you! Oh my god!
We know Shotgun Trey is in there.
Yo!
Come on,
that man said, I punched a 5-year-old in the gut and then smacked the nun on the... This man crazy! Menace to society, for sure, bro. For sure.
Yeah, Shotgun Trey. I made this song for the kids.
Is that Mickey Mouse type beat?
This Mickey Mouse?
Hey, 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 hey. Shotgun, 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 shotgun. Hey, 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 hey.
Shotgun, 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 shotgun.
If a nigga rat, I'ma get the muscle tool. Hit the op with a stick, you would think I'm playing pool. In the club with your hoe, and she acting kinda choosy. Put a bullet in his brain if the op acting goofy. You should know I'm a killer with his anger bottled up. If I pulled on your block, then you better Donald Duck. If you hide in the crib, I'ma come in the house. You a son to a rat, and we call that Minnie Mouse. Shoot the niggas like noodles. If a nigga make me question him, then my gun's name is Toodles. I got a lot of money in my pockets looking sumo. If we beefing, I call my dog, and I ain't talking Pluto, nigga.
Okay.
Shotgun.
Bro, enough with these kids songs, bro.
When I'm with the gang, we like Ed, and Eddie. And when I see a op, I leave the lead red, I'm deadly. If I call your girl, she in bed, spread and ready. I'm addicted to the money, pockets fed, bread and heavy. All my ops are jokes, and I'm laughing to the bank. If you touch my fruits, we gon' wet you till you sink. My hit is close, and they'll never shoot a blank. Never love these hoes, give 'em wood, ain't talking blank. Break it down, make her shake it like a salt shaker. Start making money, and it turns out that they all haters. Pull out the strap and control them like a lawmaker. Pistol in his mouth, definition of a jawbreaker.
Woo! Pistol in his mouth, definition of a jawbreaker. You know
Alright,
what
bro,
I
start the
mean?
beat. I got you.
Rappers at the hardest lives. Wait, what? Hold up.
Shotgun.
Hey, yo.
Struggle.
Struggle.
My first girlfriend was a cockroach. What you know about that? Nothing. You don't know nothing about that.
I don't. I really don't. I really
You never
don't.
will.
I won't either.
When I was born, my dad spit in my face. I don't know, he just spit in my face. Walk around the hood, doors darker than space. When I turned 5, my mom sprayed me with mace. When I turned 6, I was fighting possums for dinner. Was so broke, I wore tank tops in winter.
We gonna skip part 2? Alright then.
I get lonely when I'm all by myself. When I looked at my dad, I got smacked with a shelf. Told my mom happy birthday and got choked with a belt. Teacher hated me. When I got an A, I was expelled. The only thing that loved me was the streets. I used to rob pit bulls up in treats. The first girl to love me was Elise, till I got too close and watched her leave. When I was 7, I was robbed by my granny. She pistol with me, pulled a Glock.
Yo, we gotta talk about it. He used to rob pit bulls over treats? He down bad, down bad.
Hockey out of her fanny. I wanted to disappear, turn into a phantom like Danny, cause I figured out
that's a bar.
the pain stemmed from my family.
Dang.
And you just figured that out.
And you just figured that out, like, right. Alright, we got another one. Jeez, he's down bad, y'all. Jeez, that man said, I still can't get off that one bar, bro. He robbed dogs over treats? Tough. This one gonna be heat.
If my girl wave at my dog shit for the streets, I'm dogging these hoes, they do a trick, I give them treats. Try to sit on my couch like she don't belong on the sheet. She wanna go out for dinner, so I ordered Uber Eats. If my girl catch me cheating, I'ma smack her. If I meet her best friend, I'ma clap her. And I know she'll never leave me, cause I'd attack her. She'll always let me mistreat her, cause I'm a rapper. I can't love these hoes because I got no self-control. She only look good with no clothes, and you know that I won't propose to any thought that I expose. You know I'll never let you close if you catch
It's the misogyny for me.
both of you, I'll always find new hoes.
It's the
Bro, you got
misogyny
making an
for
apology
me.
video.
L shotgun.
Hi, Kevin. I'm your biggest fan.
Do you got a stick? I said C. Bad little chick, she sexy. Do you wanna hit? I said C. But I won't hit with no plan B. That is their hoe, she call me Poppy. Like a sombrero, she tryna top me. Shorty is cocky, hot like Todd. Tina and spicy, I direct her like Spike Lee. Get on your knees, like the Pope says. I smoke trees, like George Lopez. She bad like Selena, ain't talking Gomez. Drinking tequila and I'm losing focus. I'm in the hood with all of my vatos. I wish you would spread shells with no tacos. I'm getting queso, I ain't talking nachos. We make the ops with it, brand like some ponchos.
Okay, that was fire, no cap.
Maniac beat.
What did he say? What did he just say?
What? Bro, you gotta speak up. I ain't hear you.
I was walking down the street, a little kid stepped on my J's. So I pulled out the 9 and then I shot him in the face. I was walking down the street, a little kid stepped on my J's. So I pulled out the 9 and then I shot him in the face. Not gonna lie, that ruined my day. I walked in the daycare, now let it spray. If I see a kid, I'm grabbing a K.
He said he walked in the daycare and I let it spray. Oh my gosh. He is a definition of not a school shooter, a daycare shooter. No, sir, we don't like those either, bro. We don't like none of those. No, no, sir, no, sir, no,
Got
sir.
these shoes, I'm not feeling okay. If I'm at your school, you'll be kneeling to pray. I'm grabbing my tool and I'm pulling the play. I'm hitting the fuel and I'm doing the race. No, I'm not a fool, I'm not losing the case. As you can see, I'm a murderer. She said she my girl, never heard of her. She getting my worm like the early bird.
No. You're not just gonna skip by the beginning like you're not
Right.
making an accomplice.
Facts.
I quit.
I will quit too. Oh, I know this. I know this song every word for word, bro.
Listen, he wanna
Yes, sir.
talk trash on
I'm doing
me.
good, Ink. What's good,
I
bro?
mean, put it out there that he beat me.
You know these two
like,
fly?
alright,
Nah,
bro,
I
you
don't
beat
know.
me by 50 on 2K.
That ain't beat it by
But watch
50.
me beat you at life. Let me talk to him.
You told everyone you beat me in 2K.
You gotta pay, so I hopped out on the phone and I found out where you stay.
Yeah, my name is Shaka Trey, but the Glock is my bag. I pull right up to your place, I'm prepared to let it bang. I walk up and kick the door, so you sleeping on the floor. So I shot you while you snored.
You woke up, I shot some more. Hey,
you not breathing anymore. Heard some screaming from a whore, so I gotta go explore. I start creeping up the stairs. I can't leave nobody's bed. She was hiding in her room,
like if I don't know she dead.
Her whimper and despair. Think I even heard a prayer, but I'm a demon. I don't care.
You should know that life's not fair.
So you know I bust right through.
Had her breathe like a statue. She had a kid I never knew. So I shot him too.
Think they skin like a tattoo. Blood in her hair like a shampoo. I was done, so I called my crew.
Hopped in the whip and then we flew. W video, W video, W video, W video, W video, Trey ass, W YouTuber, W video, let's go baby. W TikToker too, bro, all of it, 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 all of it. You already know, come on.